In this video, I'll show you how to find SmartTrends data on your eSpeakers dashboard, and I'll explain how this can benefit you as a presenter. When you go to your dashboard after logging in at eSpeakers.com, and you scroll down just a little bit, you can see this graph of trending topics. These are the most commonly searched topics on the eSpeakers marketplace. So if you're wondering what topics you should add to your profile, this is a great place to start. Over on the left-hand side, there's a bar for Smart Trends. There's a lot of great information in here. There's your eSEO score, which we'll cover in detail in a different video. There's how many profile impressions and views your profile has had, how many directories are listing your profile, how many days it's been since your most recent profile and calendar update, and how many speaker tracks you have sent. What I find really interesting is up at the top, we've got your topic rankings, where every topic that you have listed on your profile is compared with how you rank to all the other speakers in the directory. It also shows the average fee for each topic and what your fee is compared to the average fee. You can also see how your fee compares to others in the industry, low, middle, and high. Next, we've got industry hiring trends, which displays when speakers are most often booked. So you can see at a glance the most popular dates. And at the bottom, we list the most booked cities for in-person events. All of these smart trends are available to our Pro membership plans. So if you don't see some of these boxes and they're grayed out on our basic or plus plans, you may need to upgrade to see all of the data. The SmartTrends data can be used to position your profile to match what meeting planners and conference organizers are searching for when they want to find a presenter for an upcoming event. Search through the SmartTrends data right now and optimize your profile to get seen and get booked for your next presentation.